Hello, this video will cover how to register for a math recovery course. Here we are at mathrecovery.org. There are two things you need to register for a course. First, you need to create a math recovery account. So at the home page, you would go up to the upper right-hand corner and click on Login. You will have the option to log in if you already have an account, or the option to create an account. If you have any issues or questions relating to accessing your account or creating an account, please contact orders@mathrecovery.org and we will be happy to assist you. Please write down your username and password for future reference. If you forget your password, please do not create a new account. Click on Forget Password and follow the instructions for reset. So I have an account already, so I will log in. When you have created an account, you will then have a dashboard, and when you log in, your dashboard is where you will be taken to. The second thing you need in order to register for a math recovery course is a password. You will need to contact orders@mathrecovery.org to receive that password for the course or to receive instructions on what you may have to do first to acquire that password. So I already have an account. I am logged in and I have a password for the course I want to register for, so I am good to go to move ahead and register. First, let's search for the course. Let's go to the Math Recovery homepage and click on Events. You will notice on the far right-hand side we have a search box. You could enter in the city of the course that you are interested in. You could enter in the instructor's name, but we also have a search by state option down here. I know that the course I want to register for is in Michigan, so I'm going to click on that, and here are all the courses offered in Michigan. I will scroll down to find the course that I am wanting to register for, and there it is. I will click on Learn More. And there is the course page. You will see at the top here it says that this course is accepting out-of-district participants. If it said that it was not accepting out-of-district participants and I was not a member of that district, I would not be able to register and I would have to find a different course. But this is the course I'd like to register for, so I'm going to click on the Register button off to the right here. You will see now that we have a 4-step registration process. The first step is to update your profile. This will give you an opportunity to update your email, update if your school has changed or you are in a different school district. So sometimes it will require you to go through step 1. Other times it will push you right away to step 2, which is enter in your course password. I know what the password is, so I will enter that in. And click Continue. Step 3 is Accept Intellectual Property. Please read through the acknowledgement of intellectual property rights, and when you are finished, click on Watch Intellectual Property Presentation to continue.
Welcome to the U.S. Math Recovery Community of Education.
The video will pop up. Please watch it in its entirety. And when you get to the end, you will read the acknowledgement of intellectual property rights and then click Agree. And then you will be at step 4, which is registration complete. Congratulations. You can click on your dashboard and you can go to the Course Center and click on Registered Courses, and there you will see the course that you have registered for. So that is all there is to it to register for a math recovery course. If you have any questions, Please do not hesitate to contact orders@mathrecovery.org, and we will be happy to assist you. Thank you for your participation.